Hi folks, Marcus here at UK Barbecue School, and today I'm going to be smoking some Indian candy. So many years ago I was fortunate to travel to Vancouver, Canada, and one of the things I really remember fondly was this stuff called Indian candy that I was able to try over there, and it was smoked salmon, hot smoked, and then brushed and coated in the most wonderful smoky maple syrup coating. And I've tried it before and I love it, so I wanted to do some today. I'm going to be using some trout instead of salmon, some local trout instead of salmon, and I'm going to be giving that same maple syrup glaze and hot smoking it at low temperature in the Bradley smoker here. What I've had previously overnight is my trout fillet here, my 2 trout fillets, and I've cured that with 50/50 coarse sea salt and brown sugar. So it's going to give a nice balanced cure to these, and the trout fillets have firmed up lovely there. So you can see all that juice there that's come out of these trout fillets. So these have become nice and firm and ready to smoke. I just need to rinse off any surface salt off these and pat them dry. Okay, so I'm going to turn the smoker on, set it for 4 hours. Okay, so I'm going to set the temperature nice and low, 170 Fahrenheit, which is about 80 degrees C, which is what I want. Nice low smoking for a long time with this. So I need some smoking bisquettes, which I have here. I'm going to use the cherry, which is my favourite smoke here. With this smoker you get these pucks of compressed wood dust. This is cherry here, and then what you do is you load them up into the top here. And what happens is the wood pucks are pushed along here. There's a heating element here, and they start to, when they're moved onto here, you can move them on by pressing the button here. So it'll start to smoke on there. There's a heating element in the back there that maintains the heat for this. And the heating element will give me my 80 degrees C that I'm looking for here. So what I'm going to do now is pop these skin side down, just on the rack there, like that. Okay, so these have been in a couple of hours now, and they're starting to take on a lovely colour from the smoke. They're about 40 degrees. So what I'm going to do is just a little bit of maple syrup, glazing it on, brushing it on. I'm going to do this a few times and build up a lovely glaze on these. There we go. So the maple syrup and the smoke is going to form a beautiful layer on the outside of these trout fillets. Okay, so let's see how we've done with this Indian candy style maple glazed trout. So look at these. I've been glazing them. I've done about 4 glazes of maple syrup. So that's formed a lovely crust on the outside there that's taken the smoke. You could smoke these for a lot longer. They've been in for a few hours now, and they've just reached about 50 degrees C. So you could keep smoking them, they'd firm up even more, but I'm going to try them as they are. I like them quite juicy and soft like this, so let's see how we've done. So let's have a taste and see how we've done. That's beautifully cooked. So let's see if this brings back memories of Canada. That is sensational. So it's not as firm as the full Indian candy, it's still nice and juicy, but I've tried to do it in a similar sort of style and it is definitely delicious. So go lots of maple syrup, lots of glaze on here, and the sweetness balances beautifully with the cured trout. Definitely give this a go, it's absolutely delicious. So smoking this Indian candy style trout on the Bradley digital smoker was an absolute breeze. You just set the temperature, the cherry wood pucks go through and smoke the food lovely. So such a simple, straightforward way to cook delicious food.